from SINOMADA China Limited, and we are a professional supplier of all kinds of construction machinery. And today we are honored to visit Hunan Intelligent Machinery Co. Limited. Hunan Intelligent Machinery Co. Limited was established in 1995. It's one of the large-scale professional machinery leading companies in Hunan province. With the integration of research and development, design, production, sales, installation, and after-sales service. Today, I want to introduce the model of HZ60 to you. The mixing motor power is 18.5 kilowatts, and there are two motors on each. The mixer discharging volume is 1000 liters. The discharge height is 4.2 meters. And the install capacity is 140 kilowatts. This model is very suitable for concrete machinery. Control system adopts a touch screen and a computer signals production management control system. The HZ series standard concrete mixing plant is Sunny's major product, which combines the advantages and advanced technology of wireless mixing plant both at home and abroad. The major parts are all from well-known foreign brands, which are stable and reliable. The overall modular structure makes its installation more convenient. This is the introduction of Sunny's machine and Sunny's factory. If you have interest, please contact me freely. See you guys!